A very good morning to my dear students and parents. This is Assistant Professor Priyanka More, Department of Chemistry, Rajiv Gandhi College of Arts, Commerce, Science, Vashi, Navi Mumbai. Welcome you all for the first year orientation program 2021-22. We are glad you are here. Your journey at Rajiv Gandhi College begins with orientation, a time for you to learn about college, meet new people, and settle in. There will be many more opportunities over the course of coming semesters for curricular and extracurricular activities for you to get involved and learn about the college. So let's proceed towards the program. This orientation is specially designed to bring awareness on rules and regulation of college, opportunities offers to students for apart from studies, functioning of curricular and extracurricular activities, facilities available at college, and process of continuous evaluation.
So let us start our orientation with enlightening words of our enthusiastic, energetic and dynamic principal, Professor B.S. Pandey sir. Over to you, sir.
So thank you, Priyanka madam. Very good morning to one and all. On behalf of Sainath Education Trust, Rajiv Gandhi College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Vashi, Navi Mumbai, I, Assistant Professor Basukinath Pandey, would like to extend my heartful welcome to all the new entries in this arena. Before this pandemic, we used to have freshers party come orientation every year, in which we used to explain about the courses, about the curriculum, about the extracurricular activity, about the NSS, DLLE, our intercollegiate fest program and all. But after this pandemic, even though this pandemic is not yet over, first time I am going to address my new students on virtual platform, and I am very much sure that you all are eagerly waiting to reopen the college. So online mode is a challenge, of course, it's a challenge for all of us, but it's an opportunity also. Can you imagine? I am sitting in my office addressing all of you through this virtual platform. You all have cleared your 12th and you have taken admission in degree college. So congratulations and best wishes. Rajiv Gandhi College of Arts, Commerce and Science is a premium institution located in heart of Vashi, Navi Mumbai. When we are talking about the courses offered by us, we are having post-graduation 2 courses. We are having chemistry, MSc in chemistry, and we are having MCom Business Management. Talking about undergraduate courses, we are having 3 courses with science stream and we are having 3 courses related with commerce. Talking about commerce stream, we are having BCom, traditional BCom, to inculcate the new values, to cope up with the new system. We are also having BCom Accounting and Finance, which is popularly known as BAF, and BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. Talking about science, apart from plain science stream, we are having BSc Information Technology and BSc Computer Science. So under total 6 undergraduate courses and 2 postgraduate courses. So Rajiv Gandhi College overall offer 8 courses, which is and college is affiliated with University of Mumbai. We also offer 2 certificate courses. One is in Advanced Tally and second one is in Export Marketing. So guys, when I am talking about Rajiv Gandhi College, first, every college have its own USP. Yes, we follow, we have to work under the university guideline. We have to follow university curriculum. Every college have to do the same. But apart from that, what make us different from other institutions? What is the USP of the Rajiv Gandhi College? Let's talk about that. Usually when we are talking about Rajiv Gandhi College, the first thing which come into mind, the students. And very proudly I can say, we nurture, we nourish the students who belongs to social backward class, economical backward class, slum areas. Usually we are having students who belongs to slums, son or daughter of vegetable vendor, rickshaw pullers, and we really proud on that. Why? Because they are eagerly waiting, they are eager to learn. Since 2002, since the day of inception, this college is always having a special place for socially, economically backward students. Our college is offering installment since 2002, when all colleges, not only in this pandemic, since inception, we are having installment facility in degree college. Why installment? Because everybody is not having that money to pay at one go. So we offer installment. Apart from that, college is having different scholarship to meet the requirement of needy students, good quality student, I will use the word. Why good quality student? Because many students are there who want to learn, but they are not having economical support. So our president, the president of Sai Nath Education Trust, Sri Harivansh Singh ji is always used to believe, he always used to say, जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका साई नाथ होता है. So yes, under the leadership of Sai Nath Trust, under the leadership of Honorable Harivansh Singh ji, Ramesh Singh ji and TP Singh ji, we are marching towards success. Yes, we help the students who are in need. We offer them scholarship. Even we help them to get student government scholarship, which is specially meant for students. So this is something regarding the student, you can say help, student support system. Let's talk about the college system. Our whole college admission system is computerized, digitalized. Right from admission till fee collection till TC, everything is computerized. Everything is digital. At one go, you can get all the required details at your home. No need to come to college. You can pay the fee from college. Yeah, initially, of course, for you people, first year in enrollment, you got some problem. This information can be contradictory with your experience, because many of you can say, sir, हमको तो college आके pay करना पड़ा fees, या college आके form भरना पड़ा, then what's the use? So guys, this has happened because you people are unaware, not aware about the system, about the admission system. Else already system is there. On our college website, we have given the link. On the link, you are supposed to fill all the details. You will get the online payment link. There you can pay the fee. After confirmation, and admission can be confirmed. But since we have to collect your original mark sheet, we have to collect your original TC, that's why we called you to the college. But from next year onwards, no need to come to the college. Directly you can do all the transactions sitting at your home. Now why RGC? What makes us special? We are the only one college situated in Navi Mumbai which is having a 7 days long intercollegiate fest. Prarambh Navi Mumbai. This is the USP of the college. Why Prarambh? And what make Prarambh special? So talking about Prarambh, first thing, Prarambh have participation of more than 100 colleges. Not only from Navi Mumbai, from across Mumbai, Thane, Raigad and all. We are having more than 50 events, and events are not only in one area. We are having events in sports, we are having events in fine arts, we are having events in performing arts, and to especially address the need of what you can say scholars, so-called those who are having good command over language, those who are having good writing skill. For them, we are having literary arts. So these 4 areas, around 50 events are there. We are having cash prizes. It's 7 days long. Now we have reduced it to 5 days. So in these 5 days, you will learn many things which formal education system cannot teach you. Because I personally believe experience learning is the best learning. So when students make the team, they divide themselves in different groups, they assign different roles to them. Few people go for marketing, few people engage themselves in fund collection, a few people engage in back work, a few people security, safety, different areas they divide. Isn't it unique? This cannot be taught in an MBA college. This cannot be taught in any business management school. Because this is the learning which you learn while doing work, while performing a particular task. So Prarambh gives that experience. Second thing, We believe, particularly in Rajiv Gandhi College, we believe that students should pay back to the society. Students should pay back to the society. So while paying back to society, when I am using the word pay back to society means what? They should feel the pain of the society. So for that we have initiated Prarambh Ki Canteen. The concept of Prarambh Ki Canteen. How the concept is work? We encourage students to bid for the different stalls. We don't take money from them. They have to bid for a particular stall. The bidding is done in order to sell the maximum. Whatever income they generate, everything is provided by the college. They have to, what you can say, they have to do the marketing part. They have to sell it. Okay. And after that, whatever the fund has been collected, students get 10% out of that as a token of gratitude, as a token of appreciation. And the rest 90% every year donated. Not to same institution, not to same cause. Every year we were having different cause. Initially we helped cancer patient. Next year we decided to adopt 50 underprivileged girls for education, and we did that. In continuation to that, in one of our Prarambh, we decided to help the children who are affected with HIV. Desire Society is there in Sector 28, Vashi only, and proudly I can say we have donated 2 lakhs rupees through Prarambh Ki Canteen to Desire Society. So all these are not done by me, all these are not done by our management. Collectively it is performed, it is possible only because Team RGC, Team Prarambh. This is why I proudly say Prarambh is the USP of Rajiv Gandhi College. It gives you platform. Winning and losing is different. But my students, you people will get opportunity to compete with 100 plus other college students. Isn't it a great opportunity? You are going to get opportunity to compete with South Mumbai colleges, Thane good quality, so-called big name colleges. Apart from that, we call celebrities, motivational speakers and other, those who are having expertise in their area. So this is also going to very helpful for the students. Our NSS unit have already won the best NSS program officer award, best NSS college award, as best NSS volunteer award. Our NSS team is super active, and I am very much thankful to the program coordinators Kamal Jain and Arun Vishwakarma. They are marching towards legacy already. Whatever the our rich heritage about the NSS, I will say, they are marching towards that, and all credit goes to our alumni and our NSS volunteers. We are having 2 units of NSS, and both are super active and always ready to help the society, whether it's cleanliness drive, whether it's blood donation drive, whether it's AIDS awareness program. Our college is always active. Our volunteers always ready to help, and not only ready to help, we help Navi Mumbai Traffic Police, Navi Mumbai Police, Ganpati Visarjan, other arrangement. Every time our volunteers are there. Apart from that, our DLLE unit is very active. I would like to specially mention the placement cell. Now we all are aware that getting job is a very difficult task, and my college placement team is super active. Every year for final year students we are having placement job fairs, in which we call different companies from different areas, chartered accountancy firms or aviation fields or some IT industries, and every year we are having campus placement. This is also something which proudly we can say that yes, our college is having a very active placement cell, and every year we are having campus placement interview, campus placement drive. For students, those who are not having facilities of computer, internet to their home, our library is having internet facility. Of course, the time limit is there, you can understand. 1500 plus students are there. So if one child will sit for 5 hours, other will not get opportunity, and we cannot have 1500 PCs. But yes, for their project works, for their assignments, library is there. In library, every facility is available. Similarly, we are having different section for internet users. If you are having, if you want to use internet, if you want to use computer, you can go. You can take the permission of librarian, and on that particular time, you can do that. So, whenever I am talking about Rajiv Gandhi College, we as a family, all teachers are experienced. We are always ready to help the students. And now you are going to enter into the new world. Till 12th, being very frank, you were there in school. But now you are entering into the real world of college, real world of learning. We are not going to have all the time curricular activity. Yes, curricular activities are very important. But for your overall development, extracurricular activities plays a very vital role. Sports plays a very vital role. Your interest areas, apart from having a formal education, apart from attending the lectures, apart from the regular exam, sports, cultural, social activities are also very important for the development of a child. And I would like to assure, as a principal of this institution, I would like to assure students always, as well as parents, those who are attending this virtual orientation program of Rajiv Gandhi College, I would like to assure you that surely you are going to notice and you are going to witness a complete transformation of your child when he will take exit from this college after completing graduation. It will be an overall, what you can say, a transformation. I will not say change, it will be a transformation. You just check it. Now your child is going to enter into our premises, our college, our system, and when he is going to walk out as a graduate, you can witness the drastic transformation and drastic positive transformation. Only we need your support. Examination is very crucial. Now we are having semester pattern. Professional courses are having 75-25 pattern. Non-traditional traditional courses like BCom and BSc is having 100 marks pattern. So requesting all of you to be very attentive, very regular. 75% attendance rule is mandatory. You have to, every year you have to appear for 2 exams, semester 1, 2, 3, 4, and then third year you will have 5 and 6. So timely attendance, timely exam form filling, everything is very important. Now I will not take much of your time. I would like to request Priyanka More madam to take all of you on virtual tour of this college. What activities we have done in past. It will give you a glimpse of what RGC belongs to, what RGC actually do. So all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful words. Sir, those words describe a quote said by Franklin Roosevelt, that we cannot build a future for our students, but yes, we can create students for our future. Thank you so much, sir. So we'll proceed towards the virtual tour of our college, which the students are eagerly waiting for it.
192 colleges आणि 100च्या वर डिग्रीज 60 आणि ऑलिम्पिकला पण होत नाही
I'm very sure that you're eagerly waiting to see more about our college. So let's proceed this program with our college virtual tour. So students, let's explore with our college various laboratories where students can perform different experiments. So in which way we are going to start with our first laboratory, that's biological sciences. So student, this is our biological department's lab where you can see most of the animal species required for curricular aspects along with plants, charts, informative posters, and you will get to see various models required for curricular and extracurricular activities. So this is biological departments. So students, this is our Department of Chemistry lab. This is a instrumental lab where we mostly conduct instrumental practicals. We have colorimeter, conductometer. This is our non-instrumental laboratory where we conduct the non-instrumental practicals. So now we are entering in the physics lab where you will get to see lots of instruments required for curricular aspects. As we can see, this is CRO called as cathode ray oscilloscope. After that, we'll get to see another instrument that is flat spiral spring along with the traveling microscope and spectrophotometer. So students, let's have a look about computer science and information technology laboratory. So let's proceed inside. So we have well equipped laboratory with 60 plus computers with all latest technology available for curricular aspects. We have the 2 labs for academic purpose. Thank you.
Hello students, let's have a look of our precious library, and as it is completely air conditioner, so we have ample of space for the students. So students, this is our precious library which is full in the internet available, so Wi-Fi is available in this library. Along with we have a dedicated 7 computers for students, but obviously there is a time limit. So 30 minutes time for each student per day. Okay, those students can go surfing, so they can see the study and curriculum related activities through net if they want. Along with that, we have ample of not only curricular activities, books, along with the extracurricular activities like templates, e-journals, reference books, competitive exams book. As I said earlier, we have ample number of books. So students, this is the way we have arranged the book system. So this is a compactor which we have used to arrange the books. So there are lots of reference books, you will get it over there, and this is way to remove. Every student will get 1 card per year, and the students who are in the merit list, they get 1 extra cards for extra book. So this is our library. Thank you.
So students, now we are entering in auditorium. We have 1000 plus capacities, big auditorium where we conduct seminars, conferences and workshops. So students, this is our college sports ground look by drone. Here we conducted university levels kabaddi and kho-kho tournaments along with intercollegiate fests. You can see the turf at right side upper corner. So this is a look of our college sports ground. So students, let me introduce you all HODs, coordinators and senior faculty members of various departments and get information about departments' involvement in college development.
Hello everyone, I'm Assistant Professor Veena Sawan, Coordinator of BCom. Department of Accountancy and Commerce established in the year 2002 with the inception of the college. Our department is actively engaged in organizing various activities such as expert series, workshop, seminars, quiz competition, group discussion, field visit, industrial visit for the student enhancement. College placement drive conduct job fair and placement drive for the student to provide employment opportunity. We offer certificate course in retail management and tally to boost skill of the student. College offer post graduation course MCOM in management. Our professor using innovative educational methods for the teaching. So we are welcome you in our Rajiv Gandhi College. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Assistant Professor Sarita Shinde, Head of Chemistry Department. I welcome you all in the Rajiv Gandhi College of Arts, Commerce, Science, Vashi and Mumbai. The Science Department includes Chemistry, Biology, Mathematics and Physics. In first year students, we have two subject groups, that is Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics and Botany, Zoology and Chemistry. For second year, we have three subject groups, Physics, Chemistry, Physics, Zoology, Physics, Botany, along with the foundation course which is all common for all the groups. For third year, we have special edition chemistry. After the graduation, our students have various career opportunities like they can be do post graduation in 4 major subjects for chemistry. Under the Science Association Committee, various activities are conducted such as science exhibition, industrial visit, poster presentation, PowerPoint presentation, and etc. Also, every teacher have conducted various activities for a student to make their career growth. All the departments have well-equipped laboratories as well as instrument and department library. Once again, welcome you all in Rajiv Gandhi family. Thank you so much.
This is Assistant Professor Anamika Singh, Coordinator of BMS, bringing you all with the entire gallery of information regarding BMS. In Rajiv Gandhi College, BMS was introduced in 2008 with the objective of preparing students for management position at various organizations. Bachelor of Management Studies is an undergraduate professional degree which is globally recognized across duration of 3 years. It aims to help students specialized in array of managerial skills that assist them to gain efficiency and knowledge for pursuing managerial careers. It prepares the student for the practical and competitive world of management and assists them in gaining an understanding of how an organization works and its hierarchical structure with operational behavior. This is one of the such degree that mainly covers many streams, many academic disciplines like business studies, economics, psychology, organization behavior, finance and so on. After BMS course, you will be well equipped undergraduate with the right skills and knowledge required for career in management. Field trips, industrial tour, presentation, leading role in managing the college academic activities, sports and co-curricular activities, events, debates, quiz, online events, personal grooming session, industry expert, lectures, research paper writing at university level of event, Avishkar, training of job interviews for placement are some of the key features of doing BMS from our college. Regarding employment areas, finance and retailing, sales and business development, marketing and self-employment are some of the employment areas where you can find BMS student or get placed. Regarding job profile, business development management, financial analyst, marketing analyst, business analyst and so many wide variety of job profiles are awaiting for the BMS students. Finally, we would like to welcome you all with open arms and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hello students, I Assistant Professor Sharon Varghese, Coordinator of Bachelor of Information Technology, would like to welcome you all in RGC. The Department of Information Technology was established in 2007, which is a 3-year professional course and is affiliated to University of Mumbai. It is supported by well-qualified faculties and non-teaching staff who strive to make the overall development of the students. Our institute is known for providing quality education in the field of science and technology. Our department provides a wide range of activities and also promotes students in the field of research, ideas and innovation in development. I welcome you all for a fruitful 3 years in RGC. Thank you.
Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Kamal Jain belonging to Department of Computer Science. The Department of Computer Science was established to meet the demand for well-qualified computer professional and was conceived in the year 2004. The department offers computer science. The program focuses on theoretical computer science as well as software and application development. Department has well qualified and vibrant faculty dedicated for the betterment of the student. Most of the students pass out are well placed or have opted for higher study. The department has provided as well equipped computer lab with latest computer software. Our mission is to prepare students for careers as software professional and for advanced studies in computer science. Our course combines strong fundamentals, project and team-oriented activity as well as soft skill leading to well-rounded professional education. Thank you.
Hello everyone. On behalf of BEF Department, I, Assistant Professor Nilanjana Mazumdar, welcome you all in Rajiv Gandhi College of Arts, Commerce and Science. In this college, Department of BEF has been started from 2016 with the objective of providing the specialized knowledge of accounting and finance to our students. It is a professional course that teaches the fundamentals of accounting and financial practices. Through this course, you will learn the skills associated with many of the procedures of the financial analysis and accounting standards. This degree will provide a foundation for the specialized accounting careers like CA, CMA and CS, along with many other related fields like MBA, finance and so on. So in the market, this degree is very well sought of. We have the team of highly qualified and experienced faculties who will be always there to help you in your assignments, in your university projects and everything. Apart from academics, we have fields, trips, IVs. We have the sports, co-curricular activities, online quiz. We provide the training for the job interviews. We give you the training how to write the research papers. We will guide you in the various aspects of in your personal grooming sessions also. Apart from that, we will conduct the webinars by the industry expert. They will guide you about your future endeavors. I welcome you all in my department and I am looking forward to a very exciting 3 years ahead.
So thank you, my dear HODs, coordinators and faculty members, to introduce yourself and your department to our dear students. Thank you. Yes, students, every college's backbone is that college's administrative staff, and so that ours. So let's know about our college administrative work.
नमस्कार, मी श्री रुपेश भाऊ जंगम, राजीव गांधी कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट्स कॉमर्स सायन्स, वाशी, नवी मुंबई, ॲडमिन OS. आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये महाविद्यालयात कॉमर्स आणि सायन्स अशा दोन फॅकल्टी आहेत. आपल्याकडची जी प्रोसेस आहे, या वर्षापासून आपण पूर्ण ऑनलाईन प्रोसेस चालू केलेली आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला मॅन्युअली प्रोसेस आणि ऑनलाईन अशा दोन्ही प्रकारचे आहेत. या वर्षी आपण पूर्णपणे ऑनलाईन प्रोसेस केलेली आहे. ऑनलाईन मध्ये आपल्या कॉलेज वेबसाईट मध्ये आपण विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी स्पेशल अशी लिंक तयार केलेली आहे. त्या लिंकद्वारे विद्यार्थी कॉलेज फॉर्म भरू शकतो आणि त्याबरोबर त्या साईटमधूनच तो युनिव्हर्सिटी फॉर्म भरू शकतो, युनिव्हर्सिटी साईटमधून अप्लाय करू शकतो. आणि हे करत असताना जर काही विद्यार्थ्याला अडचण येत असेल तर आपण त्याच्यासाठी आपण हे दिलेलं आहे, हेल्पलाईन नंबर दिलेले आहेत, त्या कॉन्टॅक्ट करून विद्यार्थी चांगल्या प्रकारे फॉर्म भरत आहेत. आणि त्यांना जर काही अडचण आली तर माझे सर्व स्टाफ त्यांना चांगल्या प्रकारे हेल्प करत आहेत. आणि आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये आपण ॲडमिशनमध्ये आता कोरोनाचा प्रभाव बघून, कारण आता सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांची व पालकांची कारण आर्थिक परिस्थिती पूर्ण खालावलेली आहे. या खालावलेल्या परिस्थितीमध्ये सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांच्या एक प्रॉब्लेम लक्षात घेता आपण तर गव्हर्नमेंटची तर स्कॉलरशिप देतच आहोत, त्याबरोबर आपण गव्हर्नमेंट स्कॉलरशिपमध्ये फ्री स्कॉलरशिप हे देतच आहोत. त्याबरोबर आपण विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी आपण ह्यावेळी 4 इन्स्टॉलमेंट देत आहोत. आपण याच्या आधी पण देत होतो आणि ह्यावेळी पण आपण 4 ते 5 इन्स्टॉलमेंटमध्ये आपण सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचं पेमेंट करायला सुविधा आपण दिलेली आहे. असं आपल्या मॅनेजमेंटने आणि प्रिन्सिपल सरांनी का यावेळी कोरोना असल्यामुळे विद्यार्थ्यांना जास्तच आर्थिक परिस्थिती असल्यामुळे यावेळी आपण 4 ते 5 इन्स्टॉलमेंट आपण विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी ठेवलेले आहेत. तसेच विद्यार्थ्यांना काही ज्या प्रॉब्लेम किंवा समस्या येतात ते आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये माझा टीचिंग स्टाफ असो, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ असो, चांगल्या प्रकारे त्यांच्या समस्या समजून घेऊन लवकरात लवकर त्या विद्यार्थ्यांचे प्रॉब्लेम कसे सॉल्व्ह होतील याच्याकडे जास्तीत जास्त भर आपल्याकडे दिला जातो. आणि आतापर्यंत जे काही विद्यार्थी कधीही माझ्याकडे जे आले आहेत किंवा टीचिंग स्टाफ असतील किंवा माझ्या सहकार्यांकडे जर गेले असतील त्यांना योग्य प्रकारे मार्गदर्शन करून त्यांचे प्रॉब्लेम आपण लवकरात लवकर सॉल्व्ह करत आहोत. तसेच काही विद्यार्थ्यांना खूपच अडचण जे काही असतात प्रॉब्लेम जास्त जे एकदमच परिस्थिती बिकट आहे अशा विद्यार्थ्यांना आपण चांगल्या प्रकारे सहकार्य करत आहोत. म्हणजे आमचे प्रिन्सिपल सर आहेत किंवा आमचे मॅनेजमेंट आहेत तर त्यांचे जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लेम बघून आपण त्यांना आधुनिक म्हणजे अजूनही एक एक्स्ट्रा सुविधा म्हणजे त्यांना जर योग्य वाटलं तर आपण त्यामध्ये पण आपण कन्सेशन करत आहोत. आणि कुठलंही काम असेल विद्यार्थ्याला फर्स्ट प्रोफॉर्मन्स आपण देत आहोत. अशा प्रकारे आपण आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये चांगल्या प्रकारे सुविधा सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना जेवढ्या शक्य होईल तेवढ्या आतापर्यंत करत आहोत, ह्या पुढे पण करत राहू. आणि जर यादा पुढे कधी विद्यार्थ्यांना काही प्रॉब्लेम आला तर निसंकोच तुम्ही माझ्याकडे या किंवा माझे सहकारी स्टाफ आहे त्यांच्याकडे तुम्ही येऊ शकता. तुमचे प्रॉब्लेम लवकरात लवकर सॉल्व्ह करण्याचे आम्ही प्रयत्न करू. धन्यवाद.
Now students, once again I would welcome you all to become a part of Rajiv Gandhi College as RGCNs for next 3 years, and we are waiting for you as volunteers, initiators, leaders in various colleges, universities, academics and co-curricular activities, and make us and your parents feel proud on you. I would like to end this session in this program with small quote. Dear students, you are valued, you are listened to, you are important, you will succeed, and most of all, we believe in you. So, welcome my dear students at Rajiv Gandhi College of Arts, Commerce, Science, Vashi, Navi Mumbai. Thank you everyone.